Welcome to transferit.com.ph, the place to go to for quick designing of personalized merchandise. Let's go through the main banner for a quick walkthrough of products and artwork for Father's Day. For this episode, we will be producing a personalized statement shirt and a photo mug. Both items will be designed under 2 minutes using their customizable templates. They have dad shirts, father and child, drinkwares, dad headwears, personalized bags, and dedication pillows. They also have designs that we could explore for dads, such as personalized, statement, superlative, tribute, and characters. For their pre-decorated shirt designs, I would like to choose Best Dad Ever. So let's click this one. You can choose and customize colors. They have a wide range of colors here, from white to black to bright colors and pastel colors. So I'm gonna choose red para lang maiba, kasi nga most of the designs and shirt colors ng dad ko puro black and neutral colors lang. So for this one, I'm gonna customize it by editing the name, which is just Ask Camille instead of Sophia. And then I believe yung black text hindi siya masyadong complement sa bright red color. So I want to change it to a light one, which is light yellow. And then for the Camille, just to put emphasis on it, let's make it color white. For the size, my dad's size is extra large. Ayan. So there you have it. Add to cart. And I will just continue shopping because I would like to have another one, which is a photo mug. So let's go back and look for the Father's Day photo mug. For the drinkwares, they have stainless travel mugs, full print photo mugs, and full print tumbler. I'm going to choose Dad, You Are My Hero under photo mugs. Alright, so the first thing is to replace the image just by uploading my dad's photo. Ayan. Give them the full rights to print the image. Alright, so to further customize it, kasi I want to stretch the photo pa and add a name. So I will click Customize Design. Ayan. So, as you can see, we can stretch it. Ayan. Para sakto talaga dun sa design natin. And then, I want to further personalize it by putting a text. So, I will put my dad's name. Ayan. Add text. And let's choose a font style that fits this graphics. So let's choose something that is comical. Let's try this bearskin demo. Ayan. I would also like to change the color, so choose text color. If you want it to be complemented dun sa mismong graphics, you can choose the eyedrop icon and then lagay nyo lang siya dun sa mismong color that you want. Like for example, for me, this mustard yellow. And then I would also like to put an outline para mas ma-emphasize pa yung name niya. And there you have it. Just click Add to Cart. For quick layouts and mock-ups on popular gift items, just make an account here at www.transferit.com.ph, where you can upload your photos and logo under graphics. Product layouts can be saved and checked out if you like it produced and delivered within a day or two. Hit like and subscribe to receive more web designing videos. Thanks for watching!